Hello students, today we will study about reflection and what are its types. Students, let's start with the definition of reflection of light. Reflection of light is the phenomena of bouncing back of light in the same medium. Same medium means from where it has come after striking the surface of the object. See what happens in reflection. Reflection is a light phenomena in which light comes from a light source. Let it be sun. Okay, light is coming from sun. Okay, it comes from a light source. It touches the surface of an object and then gets into the same medium. That is, if the medium is air, this light is traveling in air only. It is not entering into any other object. It is not entering into any other medium. It is reflecting back into the same medium. It was traveling in air and it is still in air. What is happening? It is just getting touched with this object and then reflecting back and then bouncing back in the same medium. This phenomena, this reflection of light, this bouncing back of light is known as reflection of light. Students, let's discuss how many types of reflection of light are there. See, there are two types of reflection of light. First is regular reflection. We also call it specular reflection. Okay. Second is irregular reflection. This is also known as diffuse reflection. Okay, let us define it. Let us first define regular reflection. When the reflecting surface is smooth, it depends on surface, kind of surface light is reflecting. If the surface is smooth, reflection is regular. If the surface is smooth and well polished, what happens? If the light rays are parallel, the reflected light rays will also be parallel. Okay, when the reflecting surface is smooth and well polished, the parallel light rays falling on it are reflected parallel to one another. They will also get reflected parallelly. The reflected light goes in one particular direction. This regular reflection or specular, this is called regular reflection or specular reflection. Okay, next one is irregular reflection. What does this mean? This means when the surface is irregular. See, here surface is irregular, right? Then what happens? Even if the incident light rays are parallel, see, these light rays are parallel, still what is happening? The reflected light rays are not parallel to each other. They are irregular. They are randomly directed. So this kind of reflection is known as irregular reflection or diffuse reflection. I hope you have understood the concept. Thank you, students.